Okay. I got some new stuff here, and I'm still learning how to work it. So I apologize. I guess I turned the camera off. Well, anyway, now we back on the eyes. We're going to put just a little bit on the eyes, just to lighten around the eyes, just a little bit. Nothing dramatic. Nothing dramatic. Okay. So now we're going to line the eyes. Now, I have on pink. True that. I have on pink. I don't know if I want to. We're going to line the eyes first. And let's just see what we do after that. We're going to go in. Do the other eye. And if you notice, I didn't even put a wingtip on because it's really not even, we're not doing all that. We're not going to do all that. We're just going to do something simple to make ourselves presentable while we out there. I'm going to line the bottom. So already, we look better than we did when we first started. Don't get me wrong. Natural is always beautiful. Natural is always beautiful. Well, we just enhancing what we already have while we're going to be out amongst the people, getting our workout in, you know. And as for our lip color, we're going to keep it basic. The color that I'm working with right now, well, the product I'm working with is by Morphe. I'll list the exact color in the description. But as you can see, it's a very neutral color. But it does give us some color. Now, I think we can be finished right here. Now, if you just want to put a little extra on it, whatever outfit you're wearing, you could put just a little bit of color. So the palette I'm working with today is the Zulu by Juvia. Okay, so we're gonna pick this color right here, just a little bit on the edge of the eye, just a little bit. Their palettes are so pigmented. I just love them. I really do. They right up there with Morphe, for real. They really are. Okay, so we're just going to put just a little bit. See, nothing crazy, just a little bit. Just a hint of pink. We have just a little bit of color on the lips. We got our gear on. Got our little hoop earrings. You know, just little stuff. That makes it. Now, I put my hair in 2 twists. That I did do. But I got my hat. Ooh, I hate this Velcro that they put on the back of these hats sometimes. I didn't even notice it until I bought it. It was Velcro. I was like, ah. But anyway, so here we go. We ready. We're ready to go to the gym, get our workout in. Hey, let's do it. All right, so this channel is Let's Chat. And I know so far I've mentioned some things about finance. Oh, wait a minute. We put our makeup on, but we gotta mattify. You know I'm a matte girl. This is by Morphe. This is the new Mattifying Setting Mist. I think this just came out like last week or something like that. So we're gonna spray the face just to keep everything copacetic. Here we go. Nice. Let that dry. We ready? Let's do this. We're going to go get our workout. Oh, so that's what I was saying. So the channel is Let's Chat. So I've talked about some finances to a certain degree. I did have a subscriber say, you know, when you going to start talking about finances again? So I'm going to get back to that. I am. But it's also talking about beauty. So we've touched on that a little bit. Wellness. So we have our gym gear on. I'm starting to get my workout on. So I'm going to the gym. It'd be great if you all would join me going to the gym. Because, you know, before you know it, we got to pull these layers off. And then it's all out there. So we got to get it tight and right before we can start taking these layers off and revealing what's really going on. So as you watch my channel, you'll see I'm going to the gym. I'm trying to get things tight and right. It'd be great if you all would join me. Some of the videos might be me just at the gym getting my workout in. So that's another part of the channel of Let's Chat that we will be doing. If you could embark upon this journey with me, I'd greatly appreciate it. Again, I appreciate you all for watching my channel, checking out my videos, and spending time with me. Time is valuable, and you could have been doing anything with your time, so I truly appreciate that you spent this time with me. I truly appreciate it. So, until next time, you all be blessed, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.